So this is the junior swim up suite. We'll start here in the bathroom. Very nice sized bathroom. Party shower. That's there. Rain head. I think this is standard across some of the other rooms. And water closet. With the frosted glass. All right. Here is your closet. Everything is kind of modern, minimalist kind of design, which is cool. And this was because it's my birthday, so this was pretty dope. Thanks, Finest, for that. You got your coffee maker, coffee packs, all that good stuff. Decked out. I did not show that in the last video, but if you check out my family suite video, just imagine I showed it to you. All right, but again, birthday, they did it for me, you know? Didn't show this in the last video either, but jacuzzi, tub, hot tub thing that you can look out. This is actually better with the family suite or on a balcony because you kind of overlook the property. Here is just kind of like an inside tub. All right, let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, I'm liking this. All right, you got your loungers, you got your deck chairs, all that good stuff, and then the coup de grace. You got your hammock over your private pool, but it also connects, as you can see, to the adjacent suites. But yeah, man, this is it.
When your drink order is ready,
I recommend this room to anyone who just wants their own private little section. Actually, there's another room that has a more private pool, but I don't think it looks as nice. But anyway, there you go. Good size room, just showing it to you from a different angle. And we out.